Welcome, film is a Samsung Galaxy A22, and today I will show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, you want to begin by holding power key and volume down together. Once the device turns off, you will immediately switch to power key and volume up. So basically what I just did. And you will see Samsung, then Samsung Galaxy, at which point you will let go. This will take you to the recovery mode, so in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate. And you want to scroll down with them and select Wipe Cache Partition, confirm it with power key, and select yes. And there we go, cache wipe complete. Press power key once more to reboot the device, which will take you back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.